Gonna play this game that I got given to me for my birthday called Choo Choo Charles. Thank you, Danny Man. I appreciate you. Let's go.
I hope you're ready for a little monster hunt.
Oh, sheesh. Thieves.
Stay close. Charles isn't the only thing to fear around here.
Wait, what?
There's a train
Oh.
shed at the top of the hill.
Is he speaking to me like, with telepathy or something?
One of the train operators was
Look at his
killed early
eyes.
on by the beast.
Oh. Good. Open the door! Oh. Man. Hey! Oh. Okay. What's this? Bucket. Look at the yellow train. What's this? Woo!
We're coming for you, Charles! Do you hear
Oh.
that? It's him! It's him!
What?
Get to the gun!
Oh!
Well, he looks at me, and I look at him.
Light him up! Light him up!
The gun overheated. Oh, Brisky!
Bruh.
Oh! Oh! That doesn't look very comfortable. Oh, Broski. Okay, see you, bye. Driving my train in the middle of the rain. Okay, I'm done. Yay! Ow! Okay, fall damage is a thing. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hello? Joyce? Joyce.
Shoot dang!
Sure thing. Oh. Ah! Oh. Back demon. No, 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 no. I haven't heard the choo choo. Choo choo. The creepy choo choo. Oh, path. Okay. 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 Hello?
What a delicacy you found.
Delicacy, yes. Ah! Ah! Oh. Okay.
Name's Greg, by the way.
I am Steph.
We need you to steal all three and use them to bait Charles. So we can
Biting.
destroy him.
Oh! Ah! You know, I missed. Ah! Oh, Broski, you scared me. Are you okay? You seem to be covered in blood. Door is locked. Are you hiding a body in there? Broski! Charles! Calm yourself! Ah! Not me! I didn't mean it! I didn't mean it! Oh, he's running. He's running. Oh! You can't get in here, right? That's the way I gotta go, too. No, 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 no. Charles! 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 Get out of here! Oh, that's the way I gotta go. Run! Hiding under the bridge. You can make it. You can make it. Good God! Ah! Get out of Oh, shit. Yeah, well, take care. Oh, what was that? Take care now. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.